Okay, Izhaan, which game have you created now?
I created the basketball one, and while you hit it, and I created bowling ball.
Bowling ball. Is that your game number 2?
Yeah,
Okay.
my
So explain, what do you have to do?
My dad and me made up. I just made up. I told my dad, and then so this is bowling ball. So you get to hit all of these, and then when you're done with it, and this is the trophy, and this is the toy you get to get, and then if you do all of these, now you need to score in here after. Okay, let's play.
Okay. Yep. So that's number 1.
I hit it done.
Okay.
And these are the trophies.
Yeah,
The toys.
you showed them before. Yeah. Come on. Oh, you try it, Mama. You
No,
keep
I
doing.
just did.
Okay. Oh my God.
Wait, my turn.
Oh wow, that's a great shot.
Okay, my turn.
But Izhaan, it's a bowling ball, so you need to do like this, actually, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I need to stand up.
Mm-hmm.
Daddy, you have
Ready? Yeah, that's better.
go. Your turn.
Oh.
Miss.
Oh,
Yes, I did two.
so there's only one pick left, right?
It's good.
Oh yeah, I did that.
We did a teamwork.
That's great. Okay, what do you have to do now?
Now you need to score down.
Oh, we're going back to basketball again. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my God, it did. Oh. Oh. Oops. Yeah. Oh wow, almost there. Oh. Oh.
That's close.
Wow.
It was about to go in here.
Yeah.
Oh,
Wow.
Daddy.
Almost there.
Close. Why did you hit it but don't score?
Okay, now I'll try to spin the ball, okay? Look. Wow! Oh, so it went the other way around. It's taking ages, isn't it? Oh yeah! You got it! Well done. You won. Where's your trophy? Show me your trophy.
This is the toy for who didn't win.
Oh, this is my trophy. That's nice. And
This is the fit.
alright, is that your trophy? Where's your light?
I knew I would win.
That's good job. Well
This
done.
is a kill.